Joe Beermaster. We have a key fob from a 2009 GMC Sierra pickup. This is the same for Chevy Silverado. Many other Chevys and GM products have the same key fob, Suburban, on and on. If your fob looks like this, or generally like this, I'm going to show you how to change the battery. This is no longer operating properly because the battery's dead. So I'm going to show you what to do. This has a cover on it. It's two parts. There's a little seam in there, but there's not a place to really put a tool to open it. So this is a tough one. So what I got is a razor knife. This is a little dull. You got to be very careful with anything sharp, but you want to get something very thin and put it into that slot. I like to put it in, we'll say down here. And then we're going to twist it a little bit. Not too far down, just work it up. And it's coming. Now you always want to put the button part down because you don't want pieces flying out. You're going to have to put those buttons in. So we open that up, and there is the battery. You can use a little screwdriver or something, or you could just dig at it. We'll use this. Kind of pop it out of there. You want to put it back the same way. So this one is CR2032. CR2032. You can get these at any, almost a dollar type store or pharmacy type. Hardware stores got it. You only need one. So the positive is facing on the downside. Always remember that. And if you look on the lid, it's got a little note in there. It says positive. It says plus down. That's just to remind you. Always remember how you take it out. Some are different. You put that down. I'm going to click that in. Get this fresh one. Click it in. Careful to leave the chip alone. And then we're going to click it and seal it. So it's closed up. This one's real easy to do. And then it will work. So the vehicle's not here, but this with a fresh battery is going to work just fine. And it doesn't matter as long as your key fob looks like this. Most key fobs work the same. Some of the foreign ones are different. Some might have little screws in here or a little cutout to put a screwdriver. But this, I noticed, really doesn't have a cutout, so you have to use a sharper tool, something thin, and just kind of work it out. So Joe Beermaster, I hope this helped. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Take care.